Have you ever wondered about the size and power of the largest toothed predator that roams our oceans? A question that piques curiosity and serves as the perfect gateway into the world of sperm whales, the magnificent behemoths of the deep. These leviathans reign supreme, not just in size but also in sheer power, making them the undisputed titans of the underwater world. Stay tuned to uncover the enigma of these magnificent creatures. Dive into the world of sperm whales, where giants rule the deep. As we delve into the biology of these fascinating creatures, one of the first things we notice is their unique physical characteristics. Sperm whales are easily recognizable by their square-shaped heads, which make up about a third of their total body length. These heads are not just for show. They house the world's largest brain, which can weigh up to 20 pounds. These marine mammals are true giants, reaching lengths of up to 60 feet and weights that can surpass 50 tons. To put that into perspective, that's about as long as 2 city buses and as heavy as 7 elephants combined. But don't let their size fool you. These gentle giants are incredibly agile, able to dive to depths of over 2,000 feet in search of their preferred prey. Speaking of prey, sperm whales have a diet that primarily consists of giant squid. These elusive creatures live in the deep ocean, making them difficult prey to catch. But the sperm whales are up to the task. They use their powerful sonar, also known as echolocation, to locate and hunt down these squids. A single adult sperm whale can consume up to a ton of food per day. In terms of lifespan, sperm whales are known to live for an impressive 70 years or more, similar to a human lifespan. Females, interestingly, tend to outlive males, often reaching ages of 80 to 90 years. As we've seen, the sperm whale's distinctive square-shaped head, massive size, deep diving abilities, and unique diet all contribute to its status as a titan of the ocean. But it's not just their size that makes them giants. It's their complex social structures, their impressive cognitive abilities, and their pivotal role in the ocean's ecosystem. These biological attributes make the sperm whale a true giant of the deep. Sperm whales are not only remarkable for their size, but also for their fascinating behaviors. Indeed, these titans of the deep are more than just their physical attributes. They possess a complex social structure that rivals that of primates, even us humans. Much like us, they form strong social bonds, particularly among females. It's not uncommon to see groups of female sperm whales known as pods swimming together, caring for each other's young in a display of communal living that's unique among marine creatures. But that's not all. These underwater giants are also known for their sophisticated communication methods. They communicate using a series of clicks, known as codas. These codas are unique to each individual, almost like a personal signature. Some scientists even believe that different pods may have their own distinct dialects, a testament to their advanced cognitive abilities. And let's not forget their deep diving capabilities. Sperm whales are among the deepest diving mammals in the world. They can dive up to 2,000 meters deep, holding their breath for up to 90 minutes at a time. That's deeper and longer than any human could ever achieve. They do this in search of squid, their main food source, which dwell in the ocean's depths. It's an extraordinary feat that showcases their adaptability and resilience. Their large brains, perhaps the largest of any animal on Earth, could be a key factor in their complex behaviors and deep diving capabilities. With a brain 5 times the size of a human's, it's no wonder these sea creatures exhibit such high levels of intelligence and adaptability. These behaviors, from their intricate social structures to their deep diving skills, underscore the complexity of these marine mammals. Far from being mere giants of the ocean, sperm whales are intelligent, socially dynamic creatures with a penchant for the deep. These behaviors show just how intelligent and complex these underwater giants are. The open ocean is the playground of the sperm whales. These marine giants are not restricted to any particular region. Instead, they roam the globe, their journeys dictated by the abundance of food and the call of their breeding grounds. Sperm whales are deep divers, often plunging to depths of over 1,000 meters in search of their favorite meal, the giant squid. They are uniquely adapted to life in this extreme environment, able to tolerate the crushing pressures and pitch-black darkness of the deep sea. Their bodies are built for long-distance travel. Their streamlined shape and strong, powerful tails allow them to move efficiently through the water. It's estimated that a sperm whale can swim up to 100,000 kilometers in a single year. That's 2.5 times around the globe. But don't be mistaken, these massive creatures aren't just aimlessly wandering the sea. Their migrations are seasonal, often dictated by the availability of food and the need to breed. During the summer months, they head to the polar regions where food is plentiful. As the winter sets in, they migrate to warmer equatorial waters to give birth and raise their young. Despite their preference for deep waters, sperm whales are not strangers to the coast. They can often be seen in coastal waters, particularly when feeding or breeding. This adaptability to different environments is one of the reasons why sperm whales have such a wide distribution, found in every ocean of the world. From the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the warm tropical seas of the equator, sperm whales have made the vast expanse of the world's oceans their home. They are as much a part of the seascape as the waves themselves, their presence a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. Their wide-ranging habitats make sperm whales true citizens of the world's oceans. Despite their size and power, sperm whales face significant threats. The largest toothed predator on Earth is not invincible. Like many of our oceanic cohabitants, sperm whales are at the mercy of human activities and the relentless march of climate change. Firstly, let's talk about human activities. Commercial whaling was a significant threat to these ocean giants for centuries. Remarkably, despite the international ban enacted in the 1980s, illegal whaling still poses a risk to these creatures. It is not just the direct hunt that endangers them. Sperm whales are also victims of bycatch, unintentionally caught in large fishing nets and gear, often resulting in severe injuries or death. But it doesn't stop there. Pollution, especially plastic waste, is another major concern. Sperm whales are known for their deep dives in search of squid, their primary food source. However, their quest for food often leads them to ingest large amounts of plastic, mistaking it for prey. This plastic ingestion can cause severe internal injuries and even lead to death. Now, let's turn our attention to climate change, an issue that is proving to be a universal threat. Rising sea temperatures and acidification jeopardize the marine ecosystem, disrupting the food chain. As the ocean warms, the squid population, the mainstay of the sperm whale's diet, may dwindle, leaving these giants hungry. Despite these threats, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway across the globe to protect these majestic creatures. Measures like stricter enforcement of whaling bans, reduction in marine pollution, and initiatives to combat climate change are being employed. Efforts are also being made to develop whale-friendly fishing gear to reduce the risk of bycatch. These threats highlight the urgent need to protect and conserve our ocean giants. Let's remember, the health of our oceans is not just about the survival of sperm whales. It is about the well-being of our entire planet. So let's do our part to ensure these giants of the deep continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. The sperm whale, a marvel of nature, is surely an underwater titan worth understanding. As we journey back through our aquatic exploration, we revisit the unique biology of these giants. From their massive size, larger than 25 adult humans, to their impressive diving abilities, sperm whales truly are a testament to nature's wonders. Their unique biology extends to their heads, housing the world's largest brain and a complex organ known as the spermaceti organ, which assists in their deep dives. Beyond their physical attributes, we've delved into their complex behaviors. Sperm whales are far from solitary creatures, exhibiting rich social structures and communication methods. They are the epitome of underwater societies, revealing to us a world far removed from our own. We've also sailed through their diverse habitats, from tropical seas to icy waters, learning how these creatures have adapted to thrive in the vast expanses of the deep blue. However, this journey also highlighted the threats they face. From climate change to pollution and overfishing, the survival of these titans is at stake. Conservation efforts are underway, but the challenge is monumental. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the deep, let us not forget the importance of preserving these magnificent creatures. Thank you for joining this deep dive into the world of sperm whales.